Welcome back. So, in today we'll be discussing on the legal issues. That will be our next title, legal issues. So, legal security investigations. So, this legal security investigation refers to the process of examining the potential legal issues or breaches within a security context. This can encompass a range of activities often required to ensure that organizations are operating within the boundaries of law and industrial regulation. Some of the main types of legal security investigation include compliance investigation. So these are conducted to ensure that an organization complies with the relevant laws, regulation, and the industrial standards related to the security. For an example, organization may need to demonstrate the compliance with the data protection laws such as General Data Protection Regulation, we call it as GDPR, or the industry specific regulations like we call it as HIPAA for an healthcare or PCI DSS for payment card data. As a real world example, a financial institution may undergo a compliance investigation to verify it is following anti-money laundering laws and protecting customer data as required by the law. Next one is internal and forensic investigations. So this internal investigation, they are the inquiries in the suspected or the alleged violations of company's policies or laws by employees, contracts, or other parties associated within the organization. So the goal is to uncover the misconduct, policy violations, or criminal activity within the organization. Next comes the forensics investigation. So this forensic investigation involve examining the digital evidence to the identity that cause of security incidents or the breaches such as cyber attacks or data breaches. So this process is crucial for gathering evidences that may be needed for potential legal proceedings such as lawsuits or criminal processions. As an example, if an employee is suspected of stealing the confidential data from the company, an internal investigation is launched. If the evidence is wrongdoing is found, and forensic investigation may follow up to collect and analyze the digital evidence for use in the court. Next comes the intellectual property investigation. So these focus on investigating potential threats or misuse of the intellectual property including trade secrets, patents, trademarks, and copyrights. Protecting IP is critical for maintaining company competitive digital and legal rights. So next one is legitimation support. Security professionals may be called upon to provide a support during the legal proceedings related to the security incidents or breaches. So this can involve gathering evidences, conducting interviews, and collaborating with the legal to build case or defend the organization. As an example, a software company suspects that a former employee has stolen a source code and given it to a competitor. An IP investigation is conducted, and the findings that are used as evidence in a lawsuit against the practitioner. So, as a summary, the legal issues in information security are the broad and vital of every organization. So they ensure the compliance with the laws and regulation, helps to uncover and address the internal misconduct and protect intellectual property and support legal action when breaches occur. So understanding this legal aspect and helps the organization to operate responsibly and reduces the risk and costly consequences. Okay, so this is the end of this title. I'll meet you in another topic. Thank you all.